Greetings everyone. My name is Sharmila Manivanan and I'm doing engineering entrepreneurship. So I'm here to present a video on the awareness of COVID-19, a disease which is spreading throughout the globe now. As we know that this outbreak of a new disease is spreading throughout the country, which is taking so many lives. And World Health Organization has announced that this disease is pandemic. So first of all, what is pandemic? Pandemic is a disease where it spread toward a country or the entire globe, which is prevalent. There is always a solution, but this is long term. As a step to face this pandemic disease, Malaysia has announced Movement Order Control (MCO). This MCO refers to a coding sanitary implemented as a preventive measure by the federal government of Malaysia, which is also known as a partial lockdown, which means that we are not entirely locked down like countries, China and Italy, where people are not allowed to go out from their houses. As for Malaysians, this is a partial lockdown where we can go out, but only to specific reasons. We should have a reason, and we do have curfews. Okay, since there is no vaccines or any kind of treatments that is yet to be discovered by our scientists, so this extreme social distancing is pretty much the only thing that we can do to help people. It's not just dependent on the government by doing this MCO or lockdown. It's only up to us. We need to do this social extreming so that this disease does not spread. So why we are emphasizing so much on this social distancing is because when, for an example, let's say one person is infected, when I go to work, when I'm going somewhere else, on the way me going there, I may infect some other people. So that one person can go around and go infect some other people. So this one person can eventually spread it to around so many people. For example, the case happened in Korea that one woman from Australia, she spread it around 200,000 people. This can happen to us. We can eventually become the next Italy, you know. So for us to prevent this thing together, we have to stand together and we have to stop this thing by following Malaysian rules, by not going out and staying at home. There is no need for panic shopping. We can stay home. We are safe in Malaysia as long as we stay home and we help the country to stop this disease. So stay safe. Thank you.